guys, this is my first ever time recording with the camera mod on ARG. Anyways, um, I don't know if there is a tribe or a hut thing called the biggest birds, but I don't care. I don't really care. My thingy is the biggest birds, and one of my members, whatever the fuck, just won this. Oh, hold on a minute. This level 26 27 Thunderbolt. Should be joining any minute now. Anyways, the reason why I did this giveaway is because I have another flying dino of my own. I don't know why his name is Gojo. I didn't name that. I cursed off for this. Anyways, so yeah, make sure to join the biggest birds, and if you don't, if you can't find it or anything, it's probably because I can't. Like, I'm not level 5 yet in the server, so I can't. Hi, Toby. So I can't like I can't like promote my server yet. So yeah. Anyways, put a dino that you want like to get rid of. Yeah, good thing you didn't buy the flying dino, so you can like actually get the saddle. This is this this is proof that I'm actually not a scammer. Boom. The trade is complete. Yay. Ah, anyways, so that was it. Make sure to join the server. Yeah.